Get a goddamn correct change.
Yes? What make you take so long to open up the shop?
I was adjusting the price list.
Okay?
Every day since the hurricane feed price them a drop.
No, butcher man. The price is double.
And everything double.
Ah!
The price of bread triple. The price of soda triple. And the price of the saltfish splitters
spring water.
Yeah.
Hot $30. Cool $150.
Hey, butcher. That's how I wear robbery.
Oh, you about person should know that as supply fall and demands rise, prices excavate. We call that the law of supply and demands.
Well, we call that price gouging.
Oh, no, no, baby, it's a shop. Well, you can go buy Mr. Chin hot city there.
Butcher.
What is it?
$200 for one saltfish splitter.
And that is it on the board.
And the hurtfulest thing is, no saltfish, no eat.
A lie! No saltfish in a the saltfish splitters.
So hold on. I charge me salsa. For the 20 years me I buy splitters from you. Me never one day buck a piece of saltfish in one of them.
I don't know what is true. Sharp laugh.
Your face split no mine.
Yeah, you know the sun stay.
Butcher, see your bills then. Give me a buckle of water and tomorrow you get the balance.
Follow me. You see the sign out them are housing trust? That means the seminar in a mortgage for the merchant.
Butcher, tell me a patty.
A party? What?
You buy patty from him?
Yes, sir. Since the hurricane I don't eat nothing warm. My girl, you don't hear the radio say you go on to buy meat kind from reliable sources. Yes, Mama.
Yeah, Pim.
Yeah, what's up, man?
You see me scary little black and white mongrel since the hurricane?
No, man!
Me not trust them patty there.
But